Welcome back. More and more I see facilitators who capture the content of their meetings directly into PowerPoint or some other electronic tool. Often I think it's because they believe it's a more efficient way to generate output after the fact. And while it may in fact be more efficient, I would suggest it's nowhere near as effective in the meeting itself. In this video, I want to talk about why that is, and in the next video, I want to talk about how you as a facilitator can really optimize your practice of capturing information visually for your participants in the session itself. So let's talk about why this is so important. The first reason is this. Posting information visually in the room keeps the most important information available to your participants at all time. Think about things like agendas and ground rules. If we flash them on a PowerPoint slide and then continue on, your participants won't be able to access them when they need them. But if you've got them posted, you and they can both go back to them whenever you need it. Second reason is this. How often have you seen participants have to leave a meeting that you facilitated for whatever reason? If they're out for 30 minutes and then come back, often they can be lost if they just walk into a conversation cold. If we have posted that information as it has been generated, they can easily and effortlessly get back into the conversation wherever it happens to be. And the third reason I think this is so impactful is this. I have lost track of how many times after a day-long or a 2-day-long session with content just literally covering the walls, participants have come up to me and said, "Wow, I had no idea we could be this productive." I can guarantee you, if the results of their work are locked into a PowerPoint file, they cannot have that kind of visceral visual impact. So, for these three reasons, I'd suggest it's really a much more effective approach to engage your participants by posting that information on the walls. In our next video, I'll talk about how you can make that happen. Thank you.